Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Paprika Recipe Manager 3 app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Paprika Recipe Manager 3 is a powerful cooking and meal planning app designed to help users organize their recipes, create grocery lists, and plan meals with ease. The app allows you to save recipes from websites with a single tap, categorize them, and access them offline. It also includes features like meal calendar planning, smart grocery list generation, pantry tracking, and cloud sync across devices, making it an all-in-one kitchen companion. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Paprika's clean design, intuitive navigation, and the convenience of saving and customizing recipes. The grocery list feature automatically organizes ingredients by aisle, and the meal planning calendar helps with weekly preparation. Cloud Sync ensures recipes are accessible across phones, tablets, and desktops, which adds flexibility. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Unlike some free recipe apps, Paprika requires a one-time purchase on each platform, iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, which may feel costly for some. A few users also mention that while it's excellent for storing and managing recipes, it lacks built-in recipe discovery compared to other apps. Additionally, some advanced meal prepping features may require manual input, which could be time-consuming. In summary, the Paprika Recipe Manager 3 app may be worth using if you want an organized, reliable way to save, manage, and plan your recipes with cross-device syncing. However, if you prefer a free app with built-in recipe discovery or don't want to pay separately for multiple platforms, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.